Hello guys, it's Tiny Tangs here, and today we will be looking at section C of the St. Paul's Girls 2017 sample paper, and I'll of course include this paper in my website. So it's called tinytangs.com and it's just loading up. You need to sign up to access all these different sections, but here's a video on how you use my website. My website might be a bit slow, and you can be redirected to the 11 plus and 13 plus. So, but you still need to sign up. So the main thing is signing up. Wait, actually, let me try signing up. Tiny Tangs. Never mind. But if you sign up, that's the idea, and yeah. For the first question of our paper, it's a logic question, I think. So you need to get information from all this. What I looked at first was because Italy and Japan have the same number of bronze medals, so therefore Italy and Japan's medals are 38 minus 18, because total minus France, which equals to 20 bronze medals. And if you take 20 divided by 2, that would become 10. So 10 medals for each of them. And then that will become easy. So Italy, let's say Italy has 2 more bronze medals than gold medals. So that's 8. Japan has 1 more gold medal but 3 fewer silver medals. 1 more gold medal, so 9. Italy has 18, so that would be 9 silver medals. 3 fewer silver medals, so that would be 6 silver medals. And yeah, it's pretty simple from now on. So that would be 25. You just literally just solve the numbers. Just add them up. 15, 24. Oh, and I forgot about the 7-18 one. The silver medals for France. France has most. Each country has 6 medals. Italy has 27 medals in total. Wait, France has twice as many silver medals as Italy has gold medals. So therefore that would be 16. 16 silver medals France has. So that would be total 23, 41. And that would be 25, 31. Yeah, and that would be our answer for this question. And for this question, it might seem difficult because you actually don't know the values of A and B. So what we actually need here is basically, we know that A and B can't be 0 because that way it would just be illogical. And yeah, so therefore, and so it can't be a negative number. So it must be it can't be a negative number. So it must be 1, starting from 1. So the basic one is 4A times 4B. So let's say A and B are 1, both 1. So let's say so therefore, to make this square, we would need 3 here. So basically you can do, so you can actually make a shape, make a whole square with 4 of these. So prove that the rectangle can be tiled by these tetrominoes, so that it is covered exactly without gaps and overlaps. so that's how easy it is, because A and B can be. So if it's 1 by 1, so it's this square. So for example, if B was 2 and A, let's say that's side B, that's side A. So if B was 2, then you would literally just have another of these rectangles. If A was 2, then you would have another one of these. So it's actually very simple with this. So yes, because you can make a 4 by 4 square using this shape. Therefore, you would always be able to cover a rectangle. And yeah, it's pretty long, the answer, but you can make it shorter. For this question, how long would it take one man to build a wall? So it's inverse proportion. So one man takes 6 days, because 2 men take 3 days. If you follow logic, one man would take more days. So therefore, that would be one man is 6 days. So yeah, you divide by 2, you times that by 2. That's what inverse proportion is. So it's like doing the opposite. So one man, 6 days. How long would it take one man to build 6 such walls? So one man, 6 walls. So one man, 6 days, 1 wall. So if you wanted to make this 6 walls, you would need to times 6. But what you would also need to do is you need to multiply the number of days. So because it's proportional, so you also times that by 6. So you would need 36 days to do that. How long would it take 3 men to build 6 such walls? So it's 36 days for 6 walls. So 36 days, 6 walls, 1 man. So therefore 3 men, because I said that these are inversely proportional, so 36 divided by 3 is 12 days for 6 walls. So therefore you would need 12 days. 10 men to build 6 such walls. So 1 man takes 36 days to build 6 walls. So therefore times 10 divided by 10, 3.6 days. Oh wait, what? Did I cover it up? No, I just didn't bring it over. But anyways, 10 men to build X such walls. So you don't know the days, and basically what you do here is, I don't know how to explain it actually. So for example, if you take an X number of walls, so 10 men, 1 wall is so if you take 1 man, it takes 6 days for you to build 1 wall, right? So therefore, if you have 10 men, you basically divide that by 10. So 10 men, 0.6 days to build 1 wall. So let's say X was 1. So therefore, if that was 2 walls, we would need to times that by 2 too. So, because that's proportional, so we would actually need So that's 0.6x days. That's our answer for this one. And how long would it take Y men to build such walls? So what we do here is, for one man it takes 6 days. So let's say Y men. Therefore, we would need inversely proportional 6 divided by Y days, and you need X walls. So you times by X again. So 6x divided by Y. That's our answer for this one. So Yep, that's correct. 6x divided by Y. Our sequence starts 416 each is 4 times the term before. Write down the next 5 numbers in the sequence. So basically it would be 416, then it would be 64. Then if you times that by 4, you get 256 or 1024. Then it's 4096, then 16384. It might take a while for you to do what's that called again? What's that called again? You could just do which of the following cannot be numbers. So you could just multiply them. So, for example, 4096 times 4. But I obviously just gave the answers because that might take a while. And which of these could not be numbers in the sequence? So, if you look at this list, they're all multiples of 4. So the rule of a multiple of 4 is basically the last 2 digits needs to be a multiple of 4 too. So for example, 40, that works. 36 works. 32 works. 86, nope, that doesn't work. 68 works. So B is our answer for question 4 and the second bit. So the first 2 numbers in the sequence are 2 and 4. Each of the following numbers in the sequence is the sum of all the numbers which come before it. The first 2 numbers in the sequence. So 2, 4. So that doesn't count. So let's just put it not on the line. So that would become 6. So what this actually is that would be 6. So it's actually doubling the previous number, because you know that those 2 numbers add, that equals to 12. And for the next digit, you basically add up 12 and 12. So that would become 12, 12. So basically it's just doubling the numbers. So 48 and 96. And which of these could not be numbers in the sequence? As I said, it was doubling a number. So you obviously can't have an odd number in there. So E is our answer. Reasons for your answer, because all the numbers should be even in the sequence, and E is an odd number. For this question, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 9 plus 2, so 2 digits. 10 has 2 digits, and 9 is 9 times 1, so 11. To 20, 10 to 20, 20 minus 10 plus 1, so that would be 11. 10, 11, so 11 times 2 equals 22. And sorry if there's noise, but because my brother's in this room, so. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up to 100. So So let's categorize this into 1 to 9, so single digits, 10 to 99, and 100. So you know that there's 9 over there. 99 minus 10, 89 plus 1, 90 times 2 digits, which equals to 180 plus 3. So 180, so plus 180 plus 3, that becomes 189. 192 is our answer. All the numbers from whole numbers from 1 to 1,000, 1 to 1,000 inclusive. 4 categories: 1 to 9, 10 to 99. Yeah. Oh no, actually, yeah, 4 categories: 10 to 100 to 999, and 1,000. So we know that there's 9 there, 180 here. We know that, and 100 to 999. 999 minus 100 is 899. 899 plus 1 equals 900. So therefore that would be 2700 digits, because you need to times it by 3. So, and that's 1,000, 4 digits. So what we do here is we add them all up. So therefore we can get 189, 193, and we add 2700. So that would be 2893 is our answer. Let me just check that. Yes, that's correct. For this question, you just fill this up. Number of columns. So that would increase by 2. No. What? That would become 8. White tiles increase by 2, 16. 8, 12. 8 and 12, and wait. And so basically that would become 8 rows. So therefore you minus that by 2. So you would get 6 times 12 minus 2, 10 equals 60. And number of white tiles, number of rows and columns. So 20. So number of rows. So 8, and number of columns 12. So basically 12 times 2, 24, plus 16 equals to 30, 40. So that would become 40, and you need to minus 4, sorry. So that would become 36. So that's 36. Number of black tiles is 5, so that can only be 1 times 5. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that would be like, that's the black tiles. So therefore there would be like white tiles up here, white tiles up there, and 2 3s, and 3s down here. So therefore that would be 20 plus 6, 10 plus 6, 16. And number of columns, we know it's 7 and 3 rows. And for our last question here, don't worry about all these cubes. It's actually not that much. So yeah, it's actually not that much. So don't be scared of this question. So you have red paint and blue paint. So let's start with, because it's kind of like symmetrical. So what I mean by that is you can have red, 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 and red, so that's 6 sides. And you can have blue, 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 blue. the same thing as was red, 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 and blue, 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 blue. So red, 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 red. So 5 reds, 1 blue, and 4 reds, 2 blues. It's the same as 4 blues, 2 reds, 5 blues, 1 red, and it's exactly the same. And yeah, so basically you just need to times it by 2. I'm actually going to write down 2, 2, 2, and oh wait, what? And red, 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 and blue, 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 because that's, I don't know. So I don't know why I'm writing that down, but red, 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 blue, blue. Let me just erase that bit. Okay, so red, 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 blue. Okay, so let's start with all reds. Obviously, only one solution. Five reds and 1 blue. You could change the position of the blue, for example. Wait, let me just actually change the color. You could make it here, here, here. But the important line in this question is 2 cubes are considered the same if 1 cube can be turned so that all its sides match the corresponding sides of the other cube. So you could actually rotate it to become the same thing. So there's actually still 1. And 4 reds, 2 blues. So 4 reds, 2 blues. 2 blues, you could place them here, 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 and here. So 2 opposites, or just nearby each other. So you would actually have 2 solutions for that. Red, 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 blue, blue, blue. Let's say that's the first thing. And that's the second. And there's actually only 2 solutions. So if you add them up, so that's the middle one. So that's kind of the middle one. So that's 2, 4. So 4 times 2 plus 2 equals to 8, 10. So 10 is actually our answer. So you don't need to worry about all this stuff because it's just useless. And thank you for listening.